My name is Jamie Butler, and I am the founder of the Center for Love and Light. I created this center to hold space for you to be able to step into your best and highest self. We do this through classes, workshops, groups, and healings.
What I love about the membership at the Center for Love and Light is that it's like having a spa membership for my spirit. I have access to warm, helpful educators, and it's a place where I find inspiration, healing, relaxation, and I get to meet other energy-centric people just like you.
We're all a bunch of like-minded souls interested in growth and development.
I'm LEXI Rodriguez. I'm an intuitive crystal matchmaker and energy healer.
Hi, I'm Shannon MALEY. I'm an educator at the Center for Love and Light.
I teach classes for the Center for Love and Light.
And it's great being here with you as an educator on the Center for Love and Light's platform.
I am also an instructor at the Center for Love and Light.
One of the wonderful things that I love about the classes is the variety.
My name is CASAMASSIMA. I am a highly sensitive, intuitive empath and medium.
My name is TATIANA Franklin, and I am a pranic healer, a Reiki master, and a life coach. And my classes revolve around wellness coaching or energy healing.
I am Kelby McCumber Morris. I am a mover of energy, a botanical alchemist, and a nervous system regulator.
We have everything from crystal healing to attending a meditation to learning about the wisdom of animals. It's all here for you, and it's all energy-centric.
In my classes, we'll cover everything you want to know about crystals, minerals, and stones. Where they come from, what their properties are, how to use them, and how to choose the right ones to support our physical, spiritual, and emotional needs. And we'll even do some energy healing.
I also have shamanic journeys scheduled to help you access and connect with spirit guides, animal guides, take past life regressions, all sorts of great journeys, as well as nervous system regulation exercises.
In my classes, I offer meditations and group healings, as well as several classes that introduce you to energy-centric topics.
I've also spent the last 15 years in the corporate and academia worlds researching the psychology of how architecture and design can support our well-being, as well as how it can pull in the healing aspects of nature to support our own connection with our intuition, as well as conversations within color psychology and how to ground your own energy.
Our practitioners, our healers, our teachers, the ones who host the experiences for you to have, they are grounded. They come straight from their field and they are passionate. And more importantly, they're knowledgeable about their craft and they're available to answer any questions that you have.
Come visit us in our classes and see what we're talking about.
One of the things that I absolutely love about the classes at the Center for Love and Light is that I have the ability to ask any questions live during the class.
If you have any questions, please reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in a future class.
If you'd like to join our community, then go ahead. Click the link in the video here.
If you're interested, please visit cfll.learnitlive.com for a list of our classes and to learn more about our energy-centric instructors.
Come join us. I'll see you there.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you join our community at the Virtual Center for Love and Light. Click the link below, and we'll see you soon. Bye.